Hi, if you are a working professional, then you must be using Microsoft Excel sheets for preparing some kinds of reports on daily or weekly basis. Also, you must be aware that you are required to repeat those same steps like copy, pasting, formatting again and again, which is very frustrating, time consuming, and unproductive work. So, if this is the case with you too, then you have come at the right place. Hi, my name is Mayur Pote, and I have worked in a corporate job for more than 14 years. I have been working Excel sheets throughout my entire career, but I know how much time I have wasted in preparing those reports repeatedly. After realizing the power of Excel VBA programming, which has helped not only me but my colleagues to complete their tasks at click of a button. Now, I'm on a mission to teach the same functionalities to thousands of working professionals to automate their daily tasks and get recognition in your profession. Now, you must be thinking, programming? No, it is not my cup of tea. But mind you, it is not required to have any prior knowledge or experience of any coding to start learning Excel VBA. It is very easy to learn. And the most important thing is you don't need to purchase any additional software as it is already available in all Microsoft products by default. You just need to enable it to start using it. Also, you don't require any approval from your company for installing any special software in your system as it is already available. So, are you excited to learn Excel VBA programming? Then let's start.